everyone! I'm Mimi.
And I'm Lala.
Welcome
to our channel,
where we bring you beauty and fitness
videos.
Yes. And so today we are bringing you a beauty related video, if you couldn't tell by our amazing looks today. And see our reviews / try on this month's BOXYCHARM products, then
Please continue watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And without further ado, let's continue on to our BOXYCHARM video.
that was not rehearsed. So let's jump right into what's in our BOXYCHARM for
The month of, what's this month?
August.
Agosto.
Augustus. Say something like that.
Gloopers.
Okay.
Wow. So this product is a cuticle oil of sweet almond. It's by the brand Adesse, New York. And it's basically supposed to repair your nail cuticle and make it nice and beautiful again.
It's an anti-aging nail system. Next up, we have 3 gold eye masks, and for a new mom
That feels good.
and a
New tia
new tia slash
student / worker / YouTuber.
these will definitely come in handy. So we won't try them on because we already have our base on, because we want to mostly focus on the makeup. Okay, now for the good stuff.
For the party. With the party animals.
Yes.
Just
Sorry, I'm like reading the back. So this is Lara Lee, Los Angeles. Her new little she had 2 little palettes coming out. One was more neutral toned. I think it was called Boss Babe. And then this one that's called Party Animal. So I think it's super cool that BOXYCHARM partnered up with a YouTuber, a beauty influencer, whatever you want to call them, beauty girls. Euros. There's a lot that have been coming out with their own brand, their own companies, their own makeup lines, their own skincare. So it's really cool because I love to support a YouTuber. I haven't bought anything from Lara Lee just because nothing really caught my attention. Although these little ditties did. These are $19, which, I mean, it's not too bad. You can get other palettes with lots of other colors for maybe the same price or even lower price, but we'll see how these perform. So, are you ready, party animal?
I'm ready.
Oh, it comes with a mirror too, which is pretty cool. There's a lot of very, very fun colors in this. I don't have many palettes that have like super colorful colors, but this karaoke blue, I don't even want to swatch it because it looks so pretty, but this karaoke blue is like really, really, really pretty and really unique. It's like
a royal blue.
Super royal blue. And usually you get like blues with more of a greenish tone or more of a purpley-ish tone. This is one's like super royal blue. Well, let's just do it.
Bottoms up. That's what I'm going to use.
I was like, oh, that's a good line.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to do some damage control even before I actually cause damage to my lid.
Party music right here.
So right off the bat, they're pretty pigmented shades. However, they are also very buildable. So if you want to super pack a punch with your pigment, then you can do so. And I like that because you don't get scared right off the bat with just like, oh my gosh, I've got super blue. You know, you get to build it up or whatever. Going more for like a halo look, using this damage control, which is really pretty. What you doing?
I'm basically going to put the pink like I did all over the lids and add some transition with the orange color.
Okay, I'm going to do It's a Party on my lid.
I want to see how that one.
Yes, me too. Okay. Ooh.
Okay.
I don't know how to explain it. It's a really pretty shade, and I like how it looks with the look. I think I was expecting something to be, or I was expecting it to be a little brighter, like more neon, and it's a little bit chalky. Not chalky,
It's
just
like more pastel on the eye than like neon.
Than what it looks
bright.
like here.
So I'm gonna wet the brush with the Tarte Ready Set Radiant, and I'm gonna try to see how it works with the pink, so that I can apply it in the middle.
In the middle. Okay, and now I applied, I was gonna say conditioner. I applied concealer to the lid on this side to see if the yellow will look brighter. So let's do that. It's kind of the same.
Yeah. Still looks pastel-y.
Alrighty, so we are not done yet with our eye looks, but this is what we have so far, and thus far, I like it. I like the pigments.
too.
Like I mentioned, they are pretty buildable shades, and when you build them up, you do get a lot of color payoff, which is really nice, and these are really nice shades.
Yeah, and I'm a person that doesn't like or gets scared from color, so when I first saw this palette, it scared me. I was like, I don't know. But actually applying it in my eye, I feel like, yeah, they're bright colors. I don't know how to say it. It's not like super vibrant. It's like...
Again, it can be built up.
It's buildable.
So its initial application can be very subtle and very wearable if you're scared of color or scared to play with color to begin with.
But even when it's built up though, like this, it's not like super highlighter sort of yellow, which is like something that it looks like it might be, but it's like I don't know, they're nice colors. Bang bang.
He shot me down.
Bang bang.
So this is Bang Beauty, and it is a chocolate gel liner. Now, I love gel liner. I'm not much of a chocolate gel liner type of gal.
Unless you can eat it.
But with a look like this, I would usually go with a black liner. But since we're doing the BOXYCHARM products, then I'm going to go in and try to achieve a winged liner using this.
And I'm just going to more so fill in the gaps for my lashes. Because I want
tight line.
Tight line, there you go. These beauty terms that don't know.
I did like how it applied. It applied smoothly, and if it were something else on my eyelids, I think I would like it a little more.
I think for tight lining, I actually like it maybe a little bit better than with the black. Well, for me.
It's more natural.
Yeah. Like if you have smaller eyes, the black can sometimes close in your eye. And then with this color, I can still like see like there's like something there, so it like makes it look fuller, but it
doesn't overpower.
Doesn't overpower. There you go.
Okay, next up we have our
House of Lashes.
So I have the Boudoir, and it's really cute packaging, and they're very dramatic, yet not overly dramatic.
And I have these are called Siren, they go short at the end and then long in the center. So if you're gonna trim them, you have to trim these from both ends. Or so I've heard, I don't know.
Ah, good point. I really like these, and I really like those too, actually.
Yeah, those are really, really pretty, like for your eye.
And eye look, and then those are really pretty for that eye look, where it's like
Yeah.
no liner, just the shadow, and then dramatic lashes. I love it.
And then also, like, I didn't have to trim anything for these lashes, which is, I don't know. It's
Rare.
very, very rare, because I have to cut lashes like those really, really small in order to fit them to my eye. But, ooh, Lily, girl.
Alright. The lips.
Lippy.
And this month we've got
the Smashbox. They're different. Well, we got different lip products.
Yes, there were
from them.
I think like 6 different variations or something of liquid lipsticks and regular lipsticks. So I got the liquid lipstick in Stay Neutral.
And mine is Bombastic. Wait, Bombastic.
Oh, that's cute.
Bombastic. And it's like this bright pink. This looks really intimidating because it's super bright pink. But let's see how it applies. Maybe it's like buildable like the eyeshadow or something.
So I would totally not pair this with this, but for the look, it will do.
This is really bright pink. Has more like a purpley-ish undertone. So it doesn't really go with the pink I have on my eyes.
We're all kinds of mixed and matched.
But these are the products that came. I mean, no one said they needed to go together. We just
True.
decided to do that.
We wanted to.
But I have to say I'm not mad at this. This looks like, even though, I mean, it's in the pink range. It's like in the summery lollipop. I don't know, my lips have been really dry because mommy life. But I do feel like it is sort of digging into all my lines and making them extra noticeable. Yay! But that just might be me. Are we done?
I think that is all.
Yeah. So, I mean, overall, BOXYCHARM is always, I think it's always a great deal. You pay $20 and you get
21.
Well, yeah, 21, and you get, 5 products, and sometimes more. Like, yeah, this is 5 products, but you get like 3 of these. So, and if you add up all of the products' retail prices, it's always a lot more than $21. So,
A lot
I mean,
more.
this palette itself is $19 if you were to order it offline. Pay shipping, that's already more than $21. And you get this plus all the other stuff. So, yeah.
My most favorite thing from here are the lashes, for sure.
Yeah, that's definitely, well, for me it's the lashes and the palette just because I like color and I like that if something like this is incorporated into the box.
Since I'm a skincare, I like taking care of my skin. I'm really looking forward to using these eye masks
To relax.
depuff, and be glamorous in gold.
So this concludes our video for this month's BOXYCHARM products sort of review / try on. I mean, I guess kind of not a review. I don't know. If you enjoyed watching this video and you enjoyed our looks that you could possibly recreate with your box this month, even though it's like almost September, but maybe you've been waiting for ideas
for us to post this
so
video.
here they are.
Thank you.
So thank you so much for watching, and
Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.